through some of the most remote countryside England has to offer. The weather was absolutely glorious and perfect for a spot of wild swimming and camping next to a beautiful waterfall hidden in the middle of nowhere. But getting there was quite a challenge, hiking for miles through the open moorland and scrambling through dense woodland, as you're about to see.
Oh my god, this is ridiculous. There's no path through here. Man, this path is just relentlessly bad. I am knackered. Jesus Christ! That is absolutely freezing! Wow. It's been some time since I've had the jitters, like the anxiety kind of pangs coming while camping. I love driving through remote places, but wow, that was remote next level. I mean, I've been on some remote roads in my time, but this is something else. It's been 8 miles of this so far. This is some remote place that we're going to right now. It's one of those places where you really hope your car doesn't break down, you don't have an accident, because if you do, you're stuffed. Look at this. Isn't it stunning? Beautiful blue skies, little stream. Tell you what, where I had planned to camp is like a 2-hour walk. But if I can find somewhere to camp around here, I might just do that, because all I want to do right now is sit by this stream and dangle my feet. We'll see. Yeah, it's quite a steep little ascent just to get up here, but I think we're pretty much at the highest point of this trail now, so we should all be downhill from here. Literally, not metaphorically, I hope. I might have had a change of plan, because I've just spotted this little cottage down here that's all boarded up, and it's got a beautiful river running past it, lovely flat bit of grass. So I'm thinking that might be a good little camp spot. It's definitely all boarded. Looks lovely. Probably like a little shooting lodge or something. It's a shame they've deforested the hill around it, but other than that, it looks stunning. Oh, isn't this pretty? They paid good money for this kind of place, haven't they? Looks well locked. Definitely not getting in that. Well, the grass has been mown quite recently. We've got gas and everything. This is all going to be locked, isn't it? What do you reckon? Bit of a risk, isn't it? It's obviously tended. Can't see any cameras. I'm going to sit down for a minute anyway. I am in such a quandary because this is just gorgeous. Beautiful sunshine, lovely flat pitch. There's a stream that's deep enough to go for a swim. The only thing that's really putting me off is the fact that I know I'm going to get a load of grief off people for doing it, because clearly, you know, this place is tended to. You know, the grass was cut probably, I don't know, about a week ago. So yeah, it's a bit of a risk camping here, but honestly I don't think anybody is going to be coming around here, but I really can't be bothered with the grief of everyone else. So I think I'm going to compromise, chill here for a little bit in the sunshine, enjoy the sun, go for a little dip, and then pack my stuff, and then I'm going to go over to the waterfall, which is probably another hour on from here, by which time I've probably lost a lot of the sun. So I'm going to make the most of a little bit of sunbathing and chilling out here. Surprisingly quite deep, to be fair, for a little stream. I forgot how good wild swimming is. It's exhilarating. Right. As much as I would absolutely love to camp here, because it is just gorgeous, just lovely, lovely sunshine. If it wasn't for YouTube, I probably would, to be fair, but like I say, I can't be bothered with all the grief that I'll get if I do. And I travelled a very long way to camp at a very special little waterfall, so let's go. Well, that was the path. Path? No path. It looks like people have come up this way. These have only recently come down, haven't they? There we go. We're good. It's about 20 minutes or so, I think. 10 minutes, 20 minutes, 15 minutes. We'll see. I'll be not far at any rate. So let's do this. Come on. So where we're going is up that little valley. To get there, we've got to go up through those trees and back down. And first, we've got to navigate a little stream crossing. Trying to film and do it. Made it! Oh my god, this is ridiculous. There's no path through here. Oh god, I need to get out of this wood. This is just ridiculous. Look at all these fallen trees. Oh, the smell over here is beautiful. Like pine forest. Oh, another downed tree. Looks like people have gone that way. Man, this path is just relentlessly bad. Ouch. Oh, I had to abandon the proper footpath because it was just absolutely solid, like thick fallen down trees everywhere. You couldn't see the path even, so I just had to head towards the edge of the wood. I could see that there was a fire break, which is what I'm walking down now, which should take us pretty much there. I am knackered. I am ready to sit down, have a drink, have some food and chill out. We are pretty much here, starting to open up into the valley now. By the way, if you're expecting some massive, magnificent waterfall, you're going to be very disappointed. I'm probably going to be disappointed after that long drive and then even longer hike, it seems. But I can see it. It's just down there. We'll be there in just a minute. Man, I am knackered. Get this pack up. Sit down. Oh. My shower sorted for the evening. And that is where we're going to be camping. I think that looks pretty spot on myself. Happy, 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 happy. It was worth it. That was a very pretty little waterfall. Right, I'm going to get the tent up. I did debate quite a lot whether to pitch here or over on that little island there, because the island is actually the flattest bit of ground around here. But I think I'm just going to be paranoid all night. If I don't think it's due to rain. Obviously there's not a cloud in the sky. I know it's supposed to be quite cloudy tomorrow, but yeah, I don't want to be paranoid, because clearly the water does come up quite a lot. Like, it's flooded over the top of that little island during the winter, most likely, because all the dead stuff's all flat. And it will be up to my waist trying to get across it. So I don't want to be paranoid. This isn't the flattest of spots, but it'll do. So without further ado, let's crack on. Back out in the car. Don't know how well you can hear me. I haven't got my mic, so I'm just going to shout at you. It's a pretty good pitch tonight. I am sure. Whew. Was it worth the drive and the walk? Yes. As far as camp spots go, that is one of the best. So these are not mushrooms, these are young horsetail shoots. And I've seen a lot on foraging groups that you can eat these, like they're a bit like asparagus apparently. But, word of warning, not all of them are edible. And I think these are the not edible ones. There's like ones that grow in like marshland and wet boggy areas, and they have more of these like little pointy bits here. And they're the not edible ones, and I'm not going to risk it. Right, time to get dinner on the go. Honestly, I've barely got the energy just to do that, to be honest, but that's when you need food, isn't it? I treated myself to breakfast this morning. I had smoked salmon and scrambled egg from the cafe. It was well nice. But that's all I've eaten all day. So yeah, definitely need some food. On tonight's menu, we've got some meat feast pasta. So we'll see what this is like, hey? Well, I said a good 10 minutes on boil now, so should be pretty warm. Get dinner. Honestly, I've barely got the energy to eat it, but I need food. That's why I've got no energy. Smells good. Don't fall over. There, innit? Oh yeah. bit. Oh, feel better for that. I reckon there's not much left to do now other than get changed into my gym jams, my thermals, and yeah, relax, enjoy my lovely little view for the evening. So it took a long journey getting here, so I might as well enjoy it, huh? Making myself a hot water bottle for the night. Pretty chilly. My breath. I got my sleeping bag. The hot. Oh yeah. That makes quite a difference already. Nice. Oh, that is good. Right. I'm going to watch something on the Kindle and say goodnight, and I will catch you in the morning. Night. Morning. Oh, I reckon I got a good 8 hours or so last night. I don't want to get up. Oh yeah, that is a view. Totally worth it. It's a long hike and a long drive, but to camp somewhere like this and have my brew with a view. Shame it's not sunny this morning, but can't have it all. And it's so remote that I knew nobody else would be here, so I'd have it all to myself. And it's just stunning. Loving it. Let's get some coffee on. Might be slightly gin flavoured coffee this morning. There was no gin left in it when I put the hot water in, but definitely still smell gin. Taste again. Good. I've decided I am going to go for a swim. And I was debating, do I keep the tent up so I've got somewhere to change and I can get my sleeping bag, get warm, or should I put my tent down so that I can just quickly get on the road as soon as I've finished my swim? I've decided on the latter because I reckon that's going to warm me up quickest if I get to move it. So, time to get packed. Go, leave no trace. Right, I'm all packed up now, so time to get changed into my wet swimming costume, which isn't going to be fun, and have a quick dip, because that is going to wake me up, and then we'll get on the way. Oh, it's cold! Oh. Jesus Christ! Yeah, I kind of whisked out a little bit on that one. That is absolutely freezing. That is icy cold. Wow. yeah. Yesterday's swim was a lot more pleasant. Right, I need to get myself dressed and get on the way, warm up. Well, I'm kind of slightly disappointed in myself. I totally wussed out there. Didn't actually swim, but I did go for a dip, not for very long. That was seriously cold, easily the coldest swim that I've done. And I've swum in the North Sea on New Year's Day, I've swum in waterfalls in the winter, but that was icy cold. My toes are still numb. So, yeah, it's good, it woke me up. Right, time to get on the way, I think. Right, okay, so that's me. If you want to tune in for some other crazy adventures, don't forget, hit that subscribe button, hit the little notification bell if you want to, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye bye.